Welcome to .NET Core 5 website development. So what I'm going to do is to have a display where uh, just like this, where um, people can have various images and they can scroll to that. This is from W3 schools. So what I want to do is something similar. You see a lot of websites, they have something like that. So there is all the code here, so it is a matter of implementing that. So we need first thing is we need to be able to import at reasonable size of images. So because that one is based on 6 images, we will just copy and paste that. We'll see how we go. And to start with, couple of other changes is I have increased size of the images, but in the upload method, this is the car controller. In the upload method, I have uh, just exactly copied this part to another section. So we will save the image under two sizes. One is for the smaller one, and then for the big image we will resize is 2000 by 600. So if somebody tries to upload a larger size image, we will still allow little bit larger size image, but we will resize it to our requirement in this part. So both images are there, and because the second image we will mark it as underscore m for medium. So we have change it in the detail page to indicate underscore m, so we know which we are talking. Let me see how it runs. So we have this one and we'll see. Okay, now we can go to upload photos, choose files. I was lucky to find 6 images of Lancer. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, we'll select that and upload. Okay, so now when we go there, yes, okay, so we still have only one image showing. So because we have not uploaded the we have not modified the code there. Okay, in the next few minutes we will do that here. So I have replaced all the big images with one. Okay, sorry, we need to change it to 3, like that. 4, 5 and 6, and then um, these are the small images. So I have done the same way, and we'll see. This section brings the old image. Maybe we will disable that for the time being. Image source here. Okay, so we don't need that part. We'll just cancel that out and see how it is. Start debugging. um, this is the number 6. Okay, let me see. So there is a problem with some images, but yeah, okay, yep, this thing changes, but okay. Oh yeah, okay, So yeah, okay, that is working, and but these images are not coming up. We'll have to explore that. Okay, we'll have a look again and we'll see. If you right click and say open in a new tab, it goes to this one. Yes, that's right, localhost. Yeah, okay, but if you right click and open image in a new tab, there is something else, so that may be the issue here. Okay, let me see. So we will, okay, that is why. Yeah, so it is missing the slash. Yeah, okay, now it looks better. Yeah, so yep, so it is coming up here. Now we will assign a variable and assign a string variable. Instead of this, we will have car plus the model.id to string, so that will convert the model number the to a string, and this part, so um, that should have it automatically depending on the id number of the product. So, and maybe we need to have a look at the other ones. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Yeah. We have done only for the first item, so this is the first item. Yeah, okay, so it is two different images, so we'll see. We'll right click this one and open in a new tab. Yeah, okay, so it is coming up 6/1. Yeah, okay, that looks okay, and we'll see whether we can add another one. Yep, where are we? We'll add one for this one, um, because we have hard coded the small images, so it doesn't come up correctly. And okay, we don't have the link at the bottom, so we need to have a look at that. Yeah, okay, let me see. So okay, now I have added that to the table itself. So earlier it was here. We'll see how it works. Okay, we want to test with this one. Yep, okay, there is the upload thing. Okay, if you go to the bottom, upload photos, choose files. This is a Honda. Yeah, okay, there is only a Honda Civic, but anyway, we'll see. Upload cars for sale. Okay, so the first image is coming up, and the other ones are, I think, that, yep, because they are hard coded. This is the only one. So open image in a new tab. Yep, okay, so it is 18-1, so it is coming up correctly, so we can do that way for the for every image. We'll do that. Okay, now we have hard coded these numbers except this one. Everything else is hard coded, so we can put this one to here, but this works only if everybody uploads 6 images. So what happens if somebody uploads only 2 images, so 1 image? So we need to know how many images that customer has uploaded. So because it is uploaded by everybody um, without our control, so what we need to do is we need to count the number of images here. So to do that we will implement, we'll go to detail. So we'll count the number of files using the directory.get files command. So with these two, okay, get number of files in the folder and file count, and we will send it to view file using view bag.number of files, and then the view bag will list that here. Okay, let me see. Yep, view bag number of files, it is just only for us. We will later change that, and also this is a string, so we need to change it to um an integer. Probably we'll see. Okay, um, what we have implemented is, so here we will get the car ID because it is the starting point of the file name, and then dash, and then we replace this um 1 2 3 4th number. In this case it can be uh, 6th number, 7th number, but the number just before the dash m with the star sign, and then dash m dot mpg. um, so with item 6, which is the Mitsubishi Lancer, we have 6 images. We'll see whether it works. So Lancer, yep, you can see number 6 appearing here, and then we have uploaded another one. We'll see this one. You see number 2, because I just want to verify, so I just copied another one, 18-12 underscore m, because somebody, we might later want to upload more than 10 files. So in that case, so it is still valid, it is still working. So we will delete this one, delete. Now when we come to the detail page, we can use a for loop and insert that number into this one, so that way, and here as well, that way we can avoid that problem. We'll see how we do it. So what we will do is we will we have the number of image files. Now we will create a for loop where it will go from number 1 uh, up to the number of files. So we backed out number of files. It might be automatically converted to a number, but anyway we will convert it to number using the integer, and here it will increment one by one, and now it will get the ID, the product ID or the car ID, and then dash, as you see here, and then the number, a sequential number of the this sequential number of the um, image ID, image number, and it will be last letters will be underscore m.jpg, and we'll see how it works. So I have disabled this part because we are not going to sort of use that, we are not going to use the manual thing. So this is the only code which is working um, for the main image. We'll see how it goes. So this is the one with 6 images. So we have not changed this part, but it is still hard coded, but we'll see. So images are changing. Yep, so it is working. And we can go back to another one. We'll see, we have only two cars with little bit of images. See this one. So there is a problem, that one doesn't come up yet. Okay, we'll see why it is. Okay, we'll have a look again. And if you look at that, I have only one. Let me see. If we look at the files, we'll click view solution explorer. For the first item I have 6.1 and 6.2, so there are two images, but when we have a look here, there is only one image. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images on display here, but when we have a look at this, so it has 1, 2 excuse me, up to 7 images, so sorry, up to 6 images. So but this image number 6 doesn't appear in the thing, so there is no red car, so it is easy to distinguish. So um, I have uploaded some cars to the second row as well to find out what is wrong. So obviously the problem is, even though we have 6 images, it is showing only 4 images. So where could the problem be? We'll have a look at the code. So the issue is, if you look at here, um, in the for loop it starts from 1, but as soon as I equals the number of maximum number of images, or sorry, the number of image files, it will stop. So it won't go through the sixth round. So when I equals 6, it will skip. So that is a common mistake using loops and branching conditions. So we need to include the equal as well. So if it is equal or less than the number of images, it should go. And this is the small image or thumbnail image, so even that one I have corrected. I have put the same code here as well, just only difference is underscore is to show the small image. I have not deleted the old part, so we will delete it later. So now it should show both thumbnails and the uh, if you look at the solution explorer, number 7 has 6 images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should show this number 7. So it has 6 images now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Maybe we need to increase the size of this one, so to cover the whole screen. And this one we have only 2 images, so both are working. So, and if you go down, I think this one has 1 image. No, there are 2 images. So make sure it works for every scenario. So this one, we'll have a look. Okay, there is only 1 image, and this is number 18. We'll see So number 18, there is only one image, so it is working okay now. We can upload some images and see. Okay, um, we will upload some images for Toyota Camry. Go down, upload photos, choose files. Toyota Camry, one image. I think there is only one Toyota Camry image. Wait. Okay, we'll see how it works. Upload. Yep, okay, it has come here. So it is there, so nothing fancy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.